Hello and welcome to today's British English lesson. Recently, the fast food restaurant chain Subway announced it would live up to its promise of a foot-long sandwich. The announcement follows days after two men filed a lawsuit in the States, where else would anyone do this, contesting the company was skimping on its sandwich size. Subway said it regrets any instance where we did not fully deliver on our promise to our customers. Subway said it will ensure that every Subway foot-long sandwich is 12 inches long at each location worldwide. This is all because two New Jersey men decided to sue the company for selling the so-called foot-long sandwiches that were closer to 11 inches in length rather than 12. John Farley and Charles Noah Pendrack wanted compensatory damages and a change in Subway's practices. The story went viral after someone posted a photo of a foot-long and a ruler on the company's Facebook page to show the sandwich was not as long as advertised. The lawyer for the plaintiffs said that the missing inch was worth 45 cents per sandwich. He also said he has had sandwiches from 17 other Subways and each time they came up short. He said that the case is about the company delivering what it promised. Subway has 38,000 stores worldwide. Its foot-long specials have featured in their ads for 5 years. The origins of the humble sandwich go back to its creator, the Earl of Sandwich. The myth is he created the idea whilst gambling when he asked for some meat in between some bread as he had no time for a meal. When others ordered the same as sandwich, the sandwich was born. I suppose this 11-inch sandwich story puts a whole new meaning into the phrase, a baker's dozen. And that was the fast version of this particular English lesson from newsflashenglish.com. I'm Dave Robinson. Good day to you.